I saw this person waving at me from across the hallway, and I'm like, wow, I have fans now. Then I realized they weren't waving at me, they were waving at the person behind me. Now I'm just standing here na lang, like fake fixing my hair. Oh, like I was waving, I was just testing gravity.
The moral of the story, my ego, gone. My reputation, gone. My wave, oh my god, still floating in the air somewhere. So if you like my video, please subscribe.